What are you guys doing out here?
I'm trying, but someone ate that. My ball's gonna fall. My ball's gonna fall through it. Why I won't keep it?
I don't know. Landon, what are you doing?
I'm digging.
You digging?
Yeah.
What are you digging?
I'm digging the ball.
There's a ball in there? Where's the ball? I don't see a ball.
Maybe so. Maybe I'll dig it.
Landon, where's...
No.
Where's the...
I'm dead.
Where's the ball,
Maybe
Landon?
my ball was full of food, Dad. Someone ate it.
Hey, Landon, who's in your sandbox with you today? Is Spider-Man in there with you?
Yeah.
Who else is in there?
Iron Man.
Iron Man? Who else? Captain America.
Yeah.
Wow.
I need something else to go. Need something else to. Need something else to go. Okay, Mommy.
Okay, buddy.
Something else to go. Something else to go. I know. Where's my ball?
Where's the ball? Can we find it? Show me where it is. 'Cause I don't see it anywhere. Where is it? I see something. I see something.
I need my ball.
There it is.
Let me go up. Where's my ball?
Wow, good job. Say bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Can you wave for Mama?